Hey everyone and welcome back to Daylight Chaser. Today I'm going to give the KTM 390 some maintenance and a few minor upgrades before its next journey, and as a big thank you for hitting 300 subscribers, we have some cool things to give away to you guys. So stay tuned for that, kick back, grab a beverage, or if you like this unit, grab 23 to 24 and enjoy. That previous statement was not actual advice. Please drink responsibly. Screw that. This thing is dirty. Look at this, it's full of sticks. That was from when we were bush bashing in the last episode. I'm going to put a little piece of cardboard just on top of the exhaust here. And just... kind of funnel so I don't have to get engine oil all over my exhaust. That should just roll off. Look at that. Oh, not a single drop on my exhaust. That's the catcher there. Looks in pretty good nick. Right. Another one hiding at the front of the engine. I should probably take that bracket off, but seems I might get a little bit of oil on it, but it's okay. Will this pop up? Yes. Okay. There he is. It's not in bad condition, but I'm putting a fresh one in anyway. Give this bike a wiggle. Is it the cutest filter in the world? I'm dripping sweat. It's not even that hot. Good. Put this one back. Wiggle, 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 pop. Alright, all the old oil is out. We just got to top it up with new stuff, throw the engine guard back on and get on with the other bits. I quickly wanted to just go over the headlamp that I've been using today. NEXTORCH, who are a proper military spec and first responder spec light maker, reached out to me and they said, we'll send you one of these eStars for free, just let us know what you think about it. I said, sure, can you send one to my viewers? They said, we got you bro, here's two. So 2 of you lucky viewers are going to win one of these. There's one in black, one in purple. Just let me know what you'd use your eStar headlamp for, where you'd keep it, put a hashtag eStar in the comment, and if you want, just let me know which color you want, black or purple, otherwise you get a random one. Details for that giveaway are in the description. I'll also throw in a couple of Daylight Chaser stickers for you guys. It has a rotating bezel to select the lights. It has a floodlight, a spotlight, and a combination of both, with also red light and SOS light. Peace of mind. It comes with a 1200 milliamp hour USB-C rechargeable battery and a spare one of those. And the good thing is you can take that battery pack out and use AAA batteries in this if you need to in emergency or as a backup. It has an antimicrobial, nice thick headband with a reflector on it, adjustable tilt to about 45 degrees. I do wish this light adjustable dimming switch was built in as like a rolling thumb switch. So I'm concerned, the only concern is that would might break in a drop, but it is rated to a 1 meter drop and 1 meter submerge in water. Max output on this thing is 1300 lumens. So when you pump that, it feels like you're Vegeta using Final Flash. It's pretty bright. And it has a maximum runtime of 110 hours on the lowest setting. So I think that's pretty much it. It could make a really good, with the way this is, I think it would make a really good backpack shoulder light as well. But it's a good little torch. So thank you NEXTORCH, and a special thank you to all your subscribers for making this possible, and good luck on the giveaway. Now let's get back to the service. Alright, now we're going to do the air filter. So, seat comes off for this one, and the pre-filter. See if I can wiggle this off without pulling anything. Might have to move my bag. I don't know if I've mentioned, but I did add this a few months back. Same brand as these ones here, the tank bag, and it's pretty good. Can I wiggle it through? Kicking it like time filters. If you get the most important part, the sticker. I was like, damn, that looks brand new. That thing is probably, it's a 22 model bike, so that's probably almost a 5-year-old air filter. So that's going to be good to go. Yeah. Cool. Easy as. Put the lid back on. I've got to figure out where the pre-filter goes. The pre-filter just stops all the extra dust and crap getting into that filter, because no one likes getting what? So this part here is the intake for the air box. So we just have to slip this filter over that and just zip tie it in there. Get the zip tie around on the small side, and then you can wiggle it like that into place. Air filters is done. You still got to put oil in it. Let's change these mirrors though. Alright, got some AliExpress double take mirrors. So I'm assuming they're going to be better than these stock ones though. So let's put these on. I got a guest. My son wants to help. Hey, Drew. You hold on tight. This is what they look like. Mama. Fur gloves, mama. Oh, it fits like a glove. I hope I got the right side. This is left. That was a fluke. But is it my left or the bike? Like the front left? That's a question. Yeah. Do you know what side it goes on? You holding on? Wiggling off. Woohoo! Fancy. Put the link down below if anyone wants some cheap mirrors. These things slap. Not good. I can play around with adjusting. Look at that. You can have them up like this. It's a new style. So I had to put an adapter on the right hand side but not on the left hand side. That makes no sense. So now the right hand side's going to sit high. Cool. Great. I thought I'd slap a Generation 1 Daylight Chaser sticker on there. If you guys want to win 3 of these, just say the most outrageous thing in the comments and put hashtag sticker. I'll pick a random winner and I'll send you out some of these. I'm just using the recommended manufacturer oil, but I've gone 15 weight just because I thrashed the hell out of it and it is warmer where I am. I'm gonna just eyeball 1.7 liters, I think. Start it up, let it settle, and then just top it up if I need to. No, this is more filter. Are you kidding? Oh, just tube fits. Okay, 1.7. Go there. I think I might just give the chain a little adjust and a clean because it's filthy. And then we'll take it for a spin. Just judging by my butt dyno, it feels better. Like when I give it some, I can feel a difference. I don't know how much that is, but the thing about a bike is because they're so light, any minor power increase, you really can feel it. I really want to do an overnight beach camp with on the bike and see if I can like get through the sand. I've never driven on sand before, so it could be a shit show. Woo! I can really feel all 10 horsepower now, baby. Well, nothing's fallen off yet, so that's good. And I don't seem to be pissing oil out of anywhere. So I'd say service successful. Can I pop it in second gear? Nah. No chance. Not without a clutch. That pretty much sums up the end of this one. All fresh oils, new filters, chain adjusted, new mirrors, banging sticker on the front. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Good luck for the giveaway. We'll get outfield on the next one. And this wrinkly worm and me. We'll see you soon. Peace. Daylight chaser.